Welcome back to ClearTask. If you have a plain text file and you need to convert it into a fully editable Microsoft Word document, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to do this without using any third-party converters. Let's get started. First, open up Microsoft Word on your computer and create a new blank document. Next, look at the ribbon menu at the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab. Over on the right side of this menu, find the Object button. Don't click the button itself. Instead, click the small drop-down arrow right next to it and select Text from File. A File Explorer window will now pop up. By default, Word might only be looking for Word documents. To find your text file, click the File Type drop-down menu near the bottom right of the window and change it to All Files. Now, simply navigate to your desktop or the folder where your text file is saved. Select your file and click Insert, and that's it. Your plain text is now fully imported into Microsoft Word. From here, you can easily change the font, adjust the text color, or apply any Word formatting you need before saving it as a standard docx file. If this quick tutorial helped you streamline your workflow, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.